What up, what up? It's your boy Striker back with another video. Got the Z71 Tahoe in the snowstorm. The first good snow we've had, the first snowstorm we've had of the year. 2008 Chevy Tahoe. I like it. It's a good time. I do wish I had a push bar on the front of it though. It's the only thing I really like to have in the winter time is a front push bar, because people will slide into you. And that's like one of the few gripes I have about this vehicle. It's slidey. As far as two things. One, if you hit the brakes real hard, it's gonna slide a lot harder than I felt like I was sliding in the Jeep. Although I had mud terrain tires on the Jeep. It's a Jeep right there actually. But yeah, never took the Jeep out in heavy snow like this. So I can't really compare it to taking the Jeep out with the ATs, because I had the stock tires on there for such a short time and never in any snow like this. This snow is just ridiculous. There's gonna be probably 1,000 accidents today minimum. I don't know about your state, but in Minnesota, first thing happens when people get out here is they forget that they've been living here their whole lives, and they forget to give people room and drive slow, and next thing you know, they're slamming into people. Really, you shouldn't be out here. Well, okay, I'll take that back. If you have a Subaru Outback like this guy in front of me, no. If you have an all-wheel drive, four-wheel drive vehicle, do your thing, you know? Go where you need to go, do what you need to do. But if you have a rear-wheel drive car, you definitely shouldn't be out here. And you have a front-wheel drive car out here, you should only be out here if you're have to be. Seriously, it's nuts. I already see an ambulance up there. I don't think you can see it. Oh, okay. Maybe that wasn't an accident up there. They were just getting on the freeway. See, I would like to get on the freeway, but for some reason I just don't trust these other drivers. Because people with SUVs, they love to just hit it and go like they're invincible. I am guilty of the same thing, don't get me wrong. I got in the Jeep, or, you know, a little bit ago in this, I just felt like I was invincible, but as I found out, even the best vehicles can slide, so be careful out here and take it slow and let the good times roll. And if you don't have to be out here, don't be out here. Me, I have to shoot a video. No, to be honest, I really do love the snow and driving in the snow, and you know, I got the vehicles insured and I'm insured to drive it, so try to have fun as safely as possible. If I could just get past this light, these two lights I think would be good, but looks like there's a bunch of police and rescue vehicles getting on the freeway. Oh, this guy's coming towards us. That's what happens when you're a good Samaritan. You get your spot stolen. Doesn't it feel like that though? Every time you do something good, somebody does you dirty. But never mind. Don't let that stop you. Screw them. But yeah, driving out here, I see that it's getting a little, like, if you can see the road down there, it looks like it's getting really icy out there. For all these people driving on the snow, it's getting packed down, turning ice, but still not really having any problems driving the Tahoe. Handling like a dream. Lived in Minnesota my whole life, so I can definitely handle it. Although, like I said, a lot of people forget where they come from as soon as they see the snow. Where do I live? Where am I from? Dan, these lights are turning so fast. It's ridiculous. Dang, I wish I knew another way. It's a straight shot from here, but on the way home, I think it'll be faster. Because there's no traffic going the other way. That should be fine. Oh, man. Barbecue ribs. That sounds good. I make some mean barbecue ribs. If you guys want to see me make some crazy good barbecue ribs on here, let me know too. I throw down on some ribs. I wouldn't mind opening up my own rib place, I'm telling you. I do some crazy ribs. Anyways, I like it out here though. Good times in the snow. Ooh, that's a nice truck. I would like to get in a truck. See what that's like. Driving a newer truck. You got a newer vehicle? Some kind of crazy off-road vehicle or sweet Jeep or anything nice really that you want to show me, put it on a channel, hit me up on direct message me on here or hit me up on Instagram, Striker Chan. Check it out. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram too if you haven't. I have more of everything I'm doing. And feel free to let me know in the comment section like what you guys would rather see. You know, if you want to see just, you know, crazy random videos like snowstorm videos, or you want to only see the bike stuff, if you only want to see, and in the winter you only want to see the Jeep stuff, or let me know. I'm trying to feel out like what direction to go more, or else I'm just gonna kind of do anything I feel like. I mean, I got myself as a moto vlogger, but I just feel like I want to shoot everything, you know. Everything worth shooting should be shot. I don't mean with a gun. I gotta get past this dang light. This light is a killer. It keeps turning so fast. That Charger behind me is like, screw it, I'm going through the light. I hear you. Man, I go back and forth about living in the city or living out in the sticks. I would love to like get some land and move out and see how these videos would do with them off-roading. Turn this off and down. I'm getting roasted in here. Uh-oh, there's some sliding. That was some sliding. Black ice. Why do they call it black ice? Why don't they call it clear ice? Or ice that looks like the road? Why does it gotta be black ice? Not all the road is black. I don't know. Leave a comment. Or just laugh at me, one of the two. I'm just saying. Well, is it? No one thought of that a little bit? Not even a little bit? Like, come on, I mean, I understand that it's ice that you can't see, you know. and most of the road is black, or maybe, you know, people exhaust, turn it black from sitting in that spot. Oh, look at the truck sliding left and right. But yeah. You know, I'm having a good time. The best part about the wintertime, though, is you get to make your own lane. Look at this guy. I hope you have the SXT, man. That's all I can say. If you don't have the all-wheel drive, you are crazy. Because I know they don't make a front-wheel drive Charger. It just doesn't make sense. If they do, shame on you. Shame on you. Front-wheel drive muscle car. What the hell's wrong with you? But, is there any front-wheel? Leave a comment, too, if there is a front-wheel drive muscle car. That'd be nuts. That's just ridiculous. Front-wheel drive muscle car. Next thing you know, they'll be having rear-wheel drive, never mind. Anyways. It is gorgeous out here, though. That's the one thing that looks nice. Everything looks gorgeous covered in snow. Ooh, better slow down, better slow down. This guy behind me is, like, very upset with me not going faster. But I'd like to tell him that I'm in, like, literally no hurry. The last thing I want to do is get in an accident, because then I'll be stuck here talking to somebody all pissed off for a while. There you go, salt that. I could use that. Oh, turbo diesel. About to say, that sounds like a diesel. I hear the diesel. 2500 Ram turbo diesel. Old school, though. It doesn't even look like anything special, actually. See, that's what I wouldn't mind. The brand new Ford F-150. Any new truck, really. I don't discriminate. I'd even take the Chevy, you know. I don't hate on Chevys. I got the Chevy Tahoe. The only thing I don't like about this Chevy Tahoe, really, when it comes to winter driving is, like I said before, whew, when you gotta slam on the brakes, I feel like the best vehicle is gonna be a Jeep. But as far as, you know, anything else, because nothing else is really shaped like a Jeep, it's gonna be just as good as anything else. Maybe better because of the weight. I don't know what this weighs compared to a standard truck. Oh, this camera in front of me is tripping me out with his constant braking. You're like gonna cause an accident. Alright. That was a smooth transition. There we go. Look at me going 40. I'm fast and furious. Sorry. Anyways, I'm about getting to the fish store. Long and short of it, Tahoe is a great vehicle in the wintertime. Would I rather have a truck or something like this coming over here, this big ass Jeep here with all this off-road shit on it there, that Rubicon? Absolutely. I'd rather have a Rubicon or a dedicated off-road vehicle. But if you want to get your family a vehicle and you need that third row because you're thinking about having more kids and you already got, you know, 1, 2, Definitely recommend it. Definitely. Definitely recommend it. But until next time, if you like that video, go ahead and hit that like button. I always use some more subscriptions, so please get your boy to 100 subscriptions. Help me out. Subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.